Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MEOW of MEME token. Now this token just came out a few hours ago, brand new token, trending #1 on DEX Tools and #1 on DEX Screener. Meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Name of the token is MEOW of MEME and ticker symbol is MEME. Right now it's up 128%. Has a decent sized market cap and yeah, brand new token. And we're going to go over the information on the MEOW of MEME token, and we're going to see if there's any security risks that you should be aware of, any potential red flags or scam risks or things like that. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the MEOW of MEME token has a Twitter, and they're going to put that in the corner of the screen over there, at MEOW of MEME on Twitter, 4,037 followers, has the contract address right there. They have 121 tweets. Fairly old Twitter, though. It's from July 2009. So basically, I mean, this token's on the Solana blockchain, so if you were interested in getting this token, you could use that contract address right there on their Twitter. Basically, you would just need a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet, any wallet for Solana meme tokens, or Solana tokens. And you would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then using that contract address, trade your Sol for the MEOW of MEME token. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully we can find that. And before you do that, though, we're going to go over the information on the token and see if there's any risks involved here. So in their most recent tweet from 40 minutes ago, it says they are the top most visited and watched token on BIRDEYE. And you can find a BIRDEYE link there. Go check out the chart there. You can also check out the chart on DEX Tools and on DEX Screener. So on their Telegram, which is at MEOW of MEME also, that's another great place to see updates along with the Twitter, new tweets about what's going on with the project, things like that. Go over to MEOW of MEME on Telegram. They also have a different Telegram linked on that Telegram, which is a group chat. And so it says launch on RAYDIUM March 29th, which is today at 13 hours UTC time. So basically that just happened recently. That's how brand new this token is. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining, see what it's like. On SolScan here, it says there's 6 decimal places on the token, ticker symbol MEME, and current supply 764,869,084.54 tokens. On their webpage, they have roadmap. They have a full white paper, it says here as well. So they try to open up that. Actually, the white paper is not available yet. I'm clicking on it. Nothing happens. So it looks like it's still in the works. But they do have contact us, features, about us, contract address, roadmap, home section, all that type of stuff here. Communicate in MEOW. Meet in MEOW. Experience the future of communication with MEOW. So they're partners with Jupiter, which is another decentralized exchange for Solana tokens like RAYDIUM. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to see the chart on there. Also partners with AbeDex and DEX Screener. Our vision is to revolutionize the way people socialize and date, providing an immersive, inclusive, and dynamic platform that fosters meaningful connections between individuals from around the world. we strive to create a space where people can express themselves freely and authentically through NFT avatars, chat, live broadcasts, video calls, metaverse, ultimately creating a community where everyone feels welcomed and valued. Our mission to provide users with a unique social experience that transcends the limitations of traditional social networking. We aim to offer a platform that is accessible, user-friendly, and safe, where people can connect with others who share similar interests and values. We are committed to innovation, creativity, and excellence, and strive to continually improve our platform to meet the evolving needs of our users. Our goal is to create a space where people can explore their passions, engage with each other, and build a meaningful relationship that can last a lifetime. So welcome to MEOW, the ultimate social experience for those who seek more than traditional social networking. Our platform offers not only NFT avatar, socials, chat, live broadcast, and video features, but extensive metaverse space that sets us apart from the rest. With our NFT avatar social feature, users can create their digital identities and express themselves in ways that were never possible before. Our chat feature provides a safe and secure environment for users to connect with each other, share similar interests, while our live broadcast and video call feature allows users to engage with their friends and followers in a dynamic and immersive way. But that's not all. The MEOW dating space is a large-scale immersive environment that provides users with unique dating experiences. Our platform allows users to explore their interests, passions, and preferences and connect with potential partners with similar values. Whether you're looking for a casual date or long-term experience, long-term relationship, the metaverse dating space has everything you need to make this a social life. At MEOW, we strive to provide a unique social experience that's inclusive and engaging for our users. Explore the future of social media with us today. Now, they have, the live broadcast, video calls, chat, and NFT avatars. And so, on their webpage, I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC. I just see Discord, Telegram, Twitter links, and basically the info that I went over already. So just be aware of that. They don't have any big security issues or anything like that. Now, their token now is trending number 9. It's not number 1 anymore. Their market cap is $1.21 million. They have $347,000 in liquidity in RAYDIUM, and the token is dumping basically right as I'm doing this video here. They're now down 33%. All of this, oh no, it's still up 85% here, but in the past 30 minutes. In the past 30 minutes, they're down 31%, so just be aware of that. I mean, this is very volatile right now. It's going all over the place. Their 24-hour trading volume is $6.09 million. So just be aware this is super volatile right now, depending on when I upload this video, of course. It's still up 93%. Now, they have 4,370 holders so far, 1 billion total supply of tokens. DEX score is 99 out of 99. Community trust score is 100% out of 109 votes. Contract is verified, no honeypot. No mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it says no other risks. So that is a quick audit from Quick Intel Security. But keep in mind, they don't audit everything, just a few things. So there still could be potential risks involved with this token. Like I said, they don't have a full audit. I don't see a liquidity lock button too on DEX Screener. So that's not available yet for me to verify. So just be aware of that as well. They do have a Unicrypt link here, or UNCX link here on DEX Tools, but it doesn't specify how long. Oh, there it is right there. Is that? No, okay, that's not it either. Nope, so just be aware this token is very new. No team docs, no KYC, no full audit. It doesn't tell me how long the liquidity lock is, or even if it is locked. They have a market cap right now of $1.2 million. Very volatile because this token basically just came out within the last couple hours. So, take it with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research. I can't say that it's safe because there's not enough information to go by. So hopefully they can come out with a full audit and stuff like that soon. But for now, it's up in the air. So let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.